Old whirlpool worth fixing? I am a total newbie at repairing stuff. But my best guess is that my pump has been jammed. I was going to attempt to fix it in my carpeted laundry room. My home is extremely small and has no good workspace. However, the drainage water smelled too awful to risk getting on the floor. The other option would be to drag it outside without a dolly, potentially spilling more. I reattached all the hoses and now I'm just wondering if it's worth messing with this thing or getting a newer set. Any input would be appreciated. Question from user Abysmals at Appliances at Reddit. Answer. We just had this happen with our old whirlpool washer. Came with the house, but we are pretty sure they're 2004s based on the SN. I don't know if yours has the same issue, but our motor needed to be replaced, which would have cost nearly $500 in parts and labor. If you have the time to mess around with it, you can usually buy replacement parts online. And I'm sure it would be cheaper than hiring a repair tech. We chose to replace our washer and dryer with a Speed Queen set since we also had to repair the dryer once already, and I don't know how many more years I'll get out of these old machines. Answer from user Orange Kitty at Appliances at Reddit.